Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode question 1051, and this is a way easy question than what you can think of. Okay, and there is a school that is trying to take in a photo of the students, and the students are asked to stand in a file, single file line. Okay, I don't know what's that. In non-decreasing order, that means in increasing order by their height, and let this order be represented by the integer expected, by the integer as expected, where expected is the expected height of the ith student in line. And what we have to do is we'll be given an integer array heights representing the current order that the students are standing in, and each height size is the height of the ith student in the zeroth index in line according to 0th index, and we have to return the number of indices where height size is not equal to the expected height. Okay, so basically the height size is like 1 1 4 2 1 3, and just expected is like the array should be increasing order, as it mentioned that it should be non-decreasing order. Basically it should be in increasing order, so we have to tell then dices where the values have been changed. Like for example, 1 1 is same, then 4 and 1 is the difference, 1 and 3 is the difference, and 3 and 4 is the difference. Okay, so what we need to just do is we need to sort the array and store it into some another. Like firstly, we'll be creating a copy of this particular array, heights array, and then we'll be sorting the copy, and we'll be just checking that if the values are same or not. Okay, so let's try and let's have expected array, which will be initially a copy of it. So for this, what I'll be doing is I'll be doing arrays dot copy of, and this we need to pass the height array as well as the up to the index with to which we need to copy. So I need to copy the full array, so I'll be passing heights dot length. Okay, then what I'll be doing, I'll be just sorting off this expected array, height array dot sort expected, and then what I'll be doing is let's have a variable count that is initially 0, and then we'll be using a for loop, that for not for loop, yeah, for int I equal 0, I less than heights dot length I plus plus, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my count on the basis of that if heights I is not equal to my expected I. In that case, I'll be updating it with 1. I'll be adding 1 to it, otherwise I'll be adding 0, and at the end I'll be just returning count. Okay, and now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, yeah, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.